And special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send me the smart bird feeder to unbox and show you what comes inside of this box. Nothing but the sticker on top. The side talks about the AI bird identification. So the service needs to be subscribed to, so you have to pay for this. That part's kind of a bummer, but you get bird history. So once the camera identifies a bird, it'll save a video clip of it. It auto-identifies 10,000 plus species of birds. You get real-time notifications without opening the app. And it also has squirrel detection. So the camera will notify you, and you can use the siren or white light to prevent them from stealing the birdseed, which I think that's awesome. Same picture on the back. This over here talks about the full color night vision, two-way audio, IP65 weatherproof, 160-degree wide view angle. It holds up to a 1.8 pound bird, live video, motion detection, and support for a micro SD card, so that way you don't have to subscribe. Of course, then you would not get those AI features. And of course, here's where you can download the app and all of that. So let's open it on up, take a look at it, and here we are. So lots of nice stuff here. So that is the app that you'll use to download. Nice little instruction manual on how to download the app and pair it with your Wi-Fi and stuff like that. Then nice quick start guide for the AI bird feeder, nicely detailed as well. This is a template mount, so that way you know where to put your screws and how to mount it. Very nice to include that as well. Then this is the mount. Very nice. Wow, nice plastic. Okay, nice and sturdy. I like it. And you can mount it either this way or this way. That's kind of that's up to you, I guess. Then we have cardboard. Ooh, we got a little box in here. What's in this box? Well, so we have, wow, what are these? Not entirely certain what these are, but they're in here. And then in this box, oh wow, the solar charger. Very, very nice. So everything you need to solar charge your camera. Okay, then we've got a few things here. Looks like a mount, an included USB Type-C cable. That's for charging up the camera. And of course, more screws and stuff for mounting everything. And then this is a little thing that the birds will land on to eat from the bird feeder. And this is actually a little top. So you put this on once you put your bird seed in here, and that'll look nice and pretty. Oh, there's more down in here. Some of these, they just nicely turn. Okay, and that's just cardboard. And then the actual, yeah, that's it for the box, bird feeder. So a nice Wi-Fi antenna here on the back. Looks like also, yeah, a USB-C port here to charge it up, so that makes that a little easier. Oh, look at that. Very nice. Okay, okay. So this is the camera here on the front. You can bend it down here to access all of this, which is like your reset button and micro SD card and all that stuff. Very, very nice. All right, so we'll have a little bit of assembly here required to put all of this together. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.